Kroma home. I don't put American yet, you know. Say one co school now only much. Uja for Trump, or your problem. As I saw much. As so you be a co school and San America crowd me at this time. Every me came over me boy, because of Modi did me we have information be Bible thing. Bemo so some make can say no crow, saying the crow, Bemo. And Nina. Remember when say school here pa. And then be me video become once them say America na say come to one go school no kon anything because and the crap driver license is so educated. Ajuma is so educated. Ajuma papa is so educated. Obaso trust school is so educated. Obaso nursing is so educated. A dear be school America. And it's one co school ya, no just a unya dear. Yayo be dear be. The trauma who said, one co school, want me fan can't name my animal. Omo woman, want me fan count. But not care you. Obama name in our way, one co school. What you more obey? Oba prepra, Oba Prince him. Oh, you can call baby. But no, dear. Ujafu. Also, be final $5,000. Made the whole video watch it. Say, Salamican, and Yadia, me and Matnasi, Masisha means some more, and no question, they made the means in that, maybe by catch rope. Bra. Ubeti. Uloni fita. Okodu Canada. Body and swap. Well, Biatuno, no can any more seminal, ubeti. Bra, education, school face in the life, school in the decline, one first school and decline, now take a decision, obey a mistake. The best seminal can okay video, no, maybe video no what. No, near maker, no one said, near maker, and no one out here, when you're Mishra, and your Aka TV, you will say, school face. Education first. May God bless you. God give you long life. Subscribe, na share, unyami, ebeshira bebre.
Couldn't believe it. Going through Arkansas, I thought it was a joke. Got stopped at the way station in Arkansas and was handed a piece of paper and it says, "Can you read and write English?" I said, "Yes, sir, I sure can." He goes, "Can you read this?" So I read it to myself, and I was like, okay, I started handing it back. He goes, no, read it out loud for me. So I read it out loud for him, and, it was short and sweet, no problem. He goes, now, can you write this for me on this paper? And I did, and there was a whole bunch of people that had already written on it. And I was actually witnessing people in handcuffs that had been pulled in. And I was like, what's going on? He goes, oh, we've come across now that if you cannot read or write in English, that it's a $5,000 fine. And if you have a company in Arkansas that employs people that can't read or write in English, it's a $10,000 fine paid on the spot. If you cannot pay it, you're automatically arrested and lose your license. What a shocker.